Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Swad. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some more example words. Let's start with Swad. In our last video, we covered the letter Hin. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter SWAD is, we can say, the new category. Like SWAD and SWADs have the same category. If these symbols didn't have any dot in SWAD, if we give one dot upper, is changed to SWAD. SWAD is also giving the SWA sound, SWA like S in English. Initial style is like this one, in middle part is coming like this, final joint is this one, and final joint is this one. We can say, in another word, sword is also from the second category, that is coming at the beginning, middle, and end of words. Or we can say, like, we can connect another letters to the left side and to the right side of these letters. If we connect to the right side of this, to the left side of this letter another letters, or if we wanted to like write in the middle, like we connect letters to both sides, then the style is changing like this one. In a word, like for example, we have swad, sehat. Sehat. Sehat means health. Sehat, health. زه خپل صحت ته پام کوم. زه خپل صحت ته پام کوم. It means I take care of my health. زه means I. خپل صحت ته, my health. خپل means we can say my. صحت, health. زه خپل صحت ته, I, my health, Sehata of, this time we can say the meaning of palm care. Kawam, kawam, take means, like we can say kawal. When the meme is come at the end, we can say personal ending, then it belong to I. Yeah, زخبل صحت palm kawam. I take care of my health. Or we have another sentence. ورزش کول صحت ته ګټه رسوي. ورزش کول صحت ته ګټه رسوي. It means exercise is good for health. Look, ورزش means exercise. کول means, like doing exercise. صحت ته, to health or for health. ګټه, like benefit. رسوي, like have benefit for health. Like in English, we can say exercise is good for health, but it means, like if we translate these words by words, it means like this one. Doing exercise, like has a raw beneficial for health, or has a raw, like good for health, like this one. ورزش کول صحت ته ګټه رسوي. Exercise is good for health, we can say. For another sentence, we have خراب خوراک صحت خرابوي. خراب خوراک صحت خرابوي. It means unhealthy food harms health. خراب means, like unhealthy. خوراک, food. صحت, health. خرابوي, harms. خراب خوراک صحت خرابوي. Unhealthy food harms health. خراب means unhealthy. خوراک, food. صحت, health. خرابوي, harms. خراب خوراک صحت خرابوي. Unhealthy food harms health. We have another sentence. پاک چاپیریال د صحت لپاره مهم دی. پاک چاپیریال د صحت لپاره مهم دی. A clean environment is good for health. Park means clean. Chaperial environment. صحت لپاره poor health. صحت لپاره poor health. مهم. They like important. It means a clean environment is important for health. Whereas good for health also we can say. But in Pashto we can say Chaperial صحت لپاره ښه دی. You know is good. Like the real meaning of مهم means important. But we can say like as a good in this sentence as well. پاک چاپیریال د صحت لپاره مهم دی. A clean environment is good for health, or a clean environment is important for health. According to this meaning, like مهم, we must say important. Yeah. Or swat in another word like sabun. Sabun. Sabun means soap. زه د لاسونو د مینځلو لپاره صابون کاروم. زه د لاسونو د مینځلو لپاره صابون کاروم. It means I use soap to wash my hands. Look, زه means I. د لاسونو د مینځلو لپاره to wash my hand. لاسونه hands. د مینځلو لپاره to wash. صابون soap. کاروم like use. زه د لاسونو د مینځلو لپاره صابون کاروم. I use soap to wash my hands. زه means I. د لاسونو my hands. د مینځلو لپاره to wash. صابون soap کاروم use. زه د لاسونو د مینځلو لپاره صابون کاروم. I use soap to wash my hands. ماشوم باید د خوړو نه مخکې لاسونه په صابون ومینځي. ماشوم باید د خوړو نه مخکې لاسونه په صابون ومینځي. A child should wash hands with soap before eating. ماشوم child باید should or must د خوړو نه مخکې before eating د خوړو eating نه مخکې before لاسونه hands په صابون with soap ومینځي wash. ماشوم باید د خوړو نه مخکې لاسونه په صابون ومینځي. A child should wash hands with soap before eating. دا صابون ډېر نرم دی. دا صابون ډېر نرم دی. This soap is very soft. دا means this صابون soap ډېر very نرم soft دی is. دا صابون ډېر نرم دی. This soap is very soft. صفحه. صفحه. صفحه means page. مهرباني وکړه درېیمه صفحه خلاصه کړه. مهرباني وکړه درېیمه صفحه خلاصه کړه. Please open page 3. مهرباني وکړه means please. درېیمه 3 صفحه page خلاصه کړه open. مهرباني وکړه درېیمه صفحه خلاصه کړه. Please open page 3. زه دا صفحه نشم لوستلی. زه دا صفحه نشم لوستلی. I can't read this page. زه means I. دا this page صفحه page نشم لوستلی can't read. نشم can't لوستلی read. زه دا صفحه نشم لوستلی. I can't read this page. کتاب 100 صفحې لري. کتاب 100 صفحې لري. The book has 100 pages. کتاب 100 صفحې لري. The book has 100 pages. کتاب means book. 100 صفحې pages لري has. کتاب 100 صفحې لري. The book has 100 pages. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence. with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Sehat, sehat, health. زه خپل صحت ته پام کوم. زه خپل صحت ته پام کوم. I take care of my health. ورزش کول صحت ته ګټه رسوي. ورزش کول صحت ته ګټه رسوي. Exercise is good for health. خراب خوراک صحت خرابوي. خراب خوراک صحت خرابوي. Unhealthy food harms health. پاک چاپیریال د صحت لپاره مهم دی. پاک چاپیریال د صحت لپاره مهم دی. A clean environment is good for health. صابون، صابون، soap. زه د لاسونو د مینځلو لپاره صابون کاروم. زه د لاسونو د مینځلو لپاره صابون کاروم. I use soap to wash my hands. ماشوم باید د خوړو نه مخکې لاسونه په صابون ومینځي. ماشوم باید د خوړو نه مخکې لاسونه په صابون ومینځي. A child should wash hands with soap before eating. دا صابون ډېر نرم دی. دا صابون ډېر نرم دی. This soap is very soft. صفحه، صفحه، page. مهرباني وکړه درېیمه صفحه خلاصه کړه. مهرباني وکړه درېیمه صفحه خلاصه کړه. Please open page 3. زه دا صفحه نشم لوستلی. زه دا صفحه نشم لوستلی. I can't read this page. کتاب 100 صفحې لري. کتاب 100 صفحې لري. The book has 100 pages. If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.